We are doing something simple, easy, that even the kids can do. The kids can help with this.
And guess what it is? It is funnel cakes. You can find these at where can you find these at? Aldi. We got this at Aldi. You can also get but they don't come up with the powdered sugar, so you'll need to get powdered sugar. So I'm gonna open this since I asked. There's tape with it sometimes.
Okay, so there's our batter.
1 second, it's being unprocessed. And also this is reusable. So after you use it, you can wash it out, and I don't know, you can turn it into like one of those watering cans, or maybe,
for your plants.
Yeah, or maybe you can put juice inside and pour it out. This is reusable, but most people would rather just recycle it. After I can figure out how to get this.
Do you want me to help you?
Please. So yeah, she's gonna try and open it. Yay, you did it!
So we cut the funnel cake mix and dump it in the pot.
Did you cut the funnel
or the bowl. Alright.
Oh, my pants! It's got stick on it.
Ants in my pants.
It's so poor. It's so weird because when you pour it, sometimes that part isn't dry. And then it doesn't get moistured enough. It's like an island. It's like looking at an island. Have you ever went on a map and you looked at the island? There's plastic all over,
Oh, well that's an unsavory image. Here.
Wait, but yeah, people need to stop littering. But yeah, if you do this, it's you should probably get a small island, or maybe it's all covered up.
Okay.
Maybe a few pieces will stick out. And after this, you're gonna need a fork.
Yes, sir.
And then you stir it. Which it feels really weird. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Now, while he's doing this, I have the oil on the stove heating as we speak because it needs to be preheated before the funnel cake mix hits it. That way it'll start cooking immediately. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Squeezing it makes it go a lot faster.
It's sort of like milking a cow.
Wow.
Meanwhile, Ari is chilling.
I just love how we just get through this literal work and she's just sitting there chilling. Okay, we're gonna pour the funnel cake in. Make it small. As you can see, that looks really cool.
I'm just gonna do
a circle?
kind of a classic
Circle?
Yeah, like a lattice. Just a normal, nothing fancy. Oh, you see, look at that. Look at that already. Yeah, as fast as that. So this will take another maybe about 20 seconds. And then once that's done, I'll put it on the plate and then I'll let the kids have a crack at it.
I need a few more seconds. Maybe 5 seconds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
There we go.
That looks good.
No, it's not making a cat. It looks nothing like a cat.
What is that?
It's a cat. He was actually doing good until he decided to do a face.
You should have just let it look like.
I got ambitious.
It's cute. Anyways, I love it. Just make a heart. Go, please. So I can see it. Hot though, hot.
What is this? The ultimate?
That's actually supposed to be a flower.
The flower looks more like the sun.
But it's a flower.
It's a sunflower.
I was about to make that joke.
So I don't have a traditional sifter. What I do have is this, which we use to make Vietnamese coffee. So what I'm gonna do is just pour some of our powdered sugar in here, and then we're just gonna sip.
Very. I'm gonna collect some of this.
Can I try?
We're not professionals. They dissolve in your mouth. Sometimes money does not help you.
A little bit chaotic, but now we have funnel cakes. They're powdered sugar, and the kids are happy and ready to eat. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe.